everyone, this is Sammy Chase here with a Disney toy opening. So recently the Series 5 of the Tsum Tsums has been released. I looked all over the city last week and I was only able to find one mystery pack. I couldn't wait to open her, so I did last week and I got the little Jessie. She's adorable. I went out today and I picked up 4 more of the mystery packs to open and also one of the Pastel parade packs. So let's check them out. One thing that I have noticed already is they're all coming with these collector guides. It's these little checklists and they're two-sided. They tell you how rare different Tsum Tsums are, what ones are already out, which ones are coming out soon, so you can keep track of all the ones that you have and don't have. So let's open the first pack. I got Elsa! Oh, she's so cute. Her castle looks a lot more elaborate on the back of the packages, but this is literally all it is. It looks a lot more thicker, I guess. But yep, there's a cute little snowflake, and she's adorable. They did more of a transparent plastic on her, and you just put her on there. She is so cute. Let's open mystery pack number 2. Oh my gosh, it's Boo! Oh my gosh. She is so cute. Here she is in her little pajamas. And she sits inside of her Chinese takeout package. That is so adorable. Oh my gosh. So let's open pack number 3. This one feels pretty big. Peter Pan! So here he is. And he comes with Big Ben with some fairy dust that wraps around him. And you actually can pull this off. Set him right in there. And you set that right on top. Pretty cute. So let's open the 4th mystery pack. Yes. I got Barrel. So here he is. I'm a huge Tim Burton fan. He is adorable in a really creepy way. That's going to be the face of my nightmares probably tonight. And he comes with his walking tub. It's just too cute. He matches my lock and shock. It's going to be so adorable. Now that I have all the mystery packs opened up, let's open the Pastel Parade pack. Here they are. They are adorable. I absolutely love them. And they make stacking a lot funner. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. If you haven't yet, hit that subscribe button to stay updated on all my new videos. See you later.